Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my first hoodie collection. I don't know why I haven't done one of these videos yet. I see comments here and there requesting it, and I've just, I guess, never gotten around to it. I don't really know, but today is the day that I'm going to film it for you guys. I am very particular about my style, and when I like to shop, I like keep my wardrobe and my closet in my head. Whatever item I'm shopping for, I always like to have a white, gray, and a black one of it. For example, like sweatshirts, like the crew necks. I have one white, one gray, and one black just because they're staple colors and you can really pair them with anything. Is anyone else like that? Please let me know down below, because I honestly am convinced I have an addiction at this point. Like, I shop for probably at least 2 to 3 hours a day, like on Poshmark, Depop, Mercari. Like, I kind of gotta chill. Now back here I have all of my hoodies, and may I tell you, yes, I have decluttered my life. That has already been over with, so these are not just like things that I don't wear. Like, all these, I promise you I wear. Hoodies, I'm like constantly in because I'm always cold, especially since winter's coming up. So yeah, let's just get into the video. So this first hoodie is a plain Champion one, and I'm pretty sure this is a boy size. Yeah, it is a boy's large. You guys will never guess how much this was. I literally got it at Marshall's for $14. Can you believe it? I like to get really good deals on my clothing, especially if you can get them from places like Marshall's, Burlington, TJ Maxx, because they're obviously authentic. They come new with tags. Literally, I'm gonna be honest with you, probably 95% of this is either from Plato's Closet, Marshall's, Poshmark, Mercari. Like, I never really buy anything brand new. Next hoodie is a plain black Adidas hoodie. I have not worn this in so long. It has been on the bottom of the rack, but I definitely need to get around to wearing it more. This is a normal small. This is like brand new condition. I think it even came with tags, and nothing is wrong with it. No holes, no stains, no rips. And I got this for, I think, $12 when I would have paid $60 for this brand new on the website, which is absolutely ridiculous. This one is actually like a more durable, heavier, like thicker material, if you know what I'm talking about. Great for the winter. Next is this pastel tie-dye hoodie. I actually got this from one of the gift shops down in Ocean City, Maryland. It is so nice. It's like kind of oversized, but like not really. It's just like kind of the perfect size, you know. I don't usually like tie-dye, but this has like all the right colors in all the right places. And I guess this is like handmade tie-dye, I guess. And all the other ones had like different, like uglier patterns, and I found that one and it was like perfect. Next hoodie is another plain Champion hoodie with the logo up in the top left. When I was buying this, I pictured it under like a jean jacket with leggings and like Air Forces. Like, I feel like that would look super cute. Next is this color blocked hoodie. I think this is from Forever 21. And I really love this because this is like my favorite shade of pink. It's not like that one Champion one. This is like a pastel pink. It's really, really pretty. It has white on the front down to black. This one's more like a lightweight material. It's not see-through or anything. It's not thin, but it's just not like the other ones. Like, this definitely would not do the best at keeping you warm. This is my staple hoodie for everything. If I want to put a jean jacket, a flannel over it, like anything that I'm kind of putting over it, this is just like a plain gray hoodie. This is the brand H&M, basic and plain. Next is my Nike Penn State, it's like a navy blue hoodie, and this is lightweight. Like, it's definitely thin. Also, for anybody about to ask, no, I do not go to Penn State. I am from Pennsylvania. But then again is another plain gray hoodie, but this one's dark gray. This one is from Hollister, and I actually got a really good deal on this. I bought this from the store at the outlets down in Ocean City, and I'm pretty sure I got this for, it was under $15, I know that, but I don't know exactly how much, but it was a super great deal because this was original like $40. Again, this one is good material. I'm like reviewing these like you guys are like gonna go out and buy these. I don't know if I'm supposed to be rating these or what. I'm just kind of showing you guys my collection. Then is a lifeguard hoodie. I wanted one of these so bad, you guys. I used to have one like a couple years ago and I lost it. I don't know what happened to it. It was white and I think I left it at a hotel in Florida. I bought a new one down in Topsail, North Carolina, which is one of my favorite vacation spots. I looked all over for this thing, actually. Like, I went to every single gift shop and like store down there. Couldn't find them anywhere in my size, like with the color and everything that I wanted. Next is this NCC hoodie, and yes, I actually am going to this college. I just enrolled actually a couple weeks ago, and my classes start the 30th of the end of August, so I don't know what time I'm uploading this. Plain white on the back, has pockets in the front, and I love this one. It kind of is a bit oversized. It's a small, it's not a medium. It just fits a little bit bigger on me, which I kind of like. I'm interrupting this video to announce the Cupshe giveaway winner. So congratulations to Shannon McCloskey. I will have your channel name on the screen here. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm so sorry if I didn't, but thank you to everybody who entered and participated in my first ever giveaway. And a huge thank you to Cupshe as well. So Shannon, please leave down below your email or your Instagram, however you prefer to be contacted by me, or you can hit me in my DM as well with my username on the screen, and I will talk to you about your information and going along with Cupshe and everything else. Okay, now moving to zip ups. First one is this plain black zip up with bling on the back. It says love pink, and it's also velvet. It's such a nice material, feels super soft. This is super warm and also super bougie looking. And here is the light gray one. I absolutely love this thing, you guys. I probably wear this the most out of like everything, just because it's silver glitter, and also on the back it says love pink as well. Then is my white one. This one also says love pink on the back. It's not glitter, but it's like a silver holographic writing. Also, this one and the gray one weren't velvet, by the way. The black one was, but none of the others are. And then my last zip up is a hot pink zip up with pink written across the front in like black ombre gradient writing. I don't know if I like light pink or hot pink better, but I love this shade so much. And I've also been told like multiple times that pink is my color. I don't really know about that. I live in neutrals, if you can't tell, so for me to like wear pink a lot is like kind of a stretch. But also, I don't know why I always have Karens in my comments, but on my one sneaker collection video I included like sandals and stuff, and someone was like, well then it's a shoe collection, like don't show other things if it's just a sneaker. And I was like, yeah, chill. I'm just gonna be showing you my jackets, my windbreakers, my hoodies, everything in this video. So yeah, I put my hoodies in the first part, so if you just wanted to see the hoodies, you can click off by now. But then I have this black fleece North Face zip up. This is actually fairly new as well. You guys might have seen me in North Face like last year, and that was because I used to have like a Sherpa one, but this one is fleece and it's way nicer. Next is, oh my god, you guys, literally am obsessed with this. I have this Victoria's Secret gray zip up. It's not like fleece on the inside or anything, it just has like a really extra fur hood. There's no writing on the back, but it does have sequins down both sides of the sleeves. This jacket is just me, and I looked this up. I'm pretty sure like this matching set with the pants retail for like something really ridiculous, and I got this at Plato's for like 18, and literally nothing is wrong with it. The sleeves are completely clean, and it also has cute angel wings down at the bottom, and it says VS here. And I haven't gotten to wear it yet because it's not really winter yet, and I just bought it this year. There's only 3 more, but next I'm going to show you my windbreakers. This is a light pink one. It has reflective stripes on the sleeves. This is from Forever 21, and it's super thin and sheer, like almost too thin. I know it's a windbreaker, but it's almost too thin to the point where like I don't wear it. This reflective windbreaker from Fashion Nova, and it has black stripes down the sleeves. I love this thing. It's like kind of cropped as well. And then last but definitely not least, I have my Nike windbreaker. It has gray on the top, and then it goes into white at the bottom. I love this thing. It looks super cute with like any outfit, especially leggings. And it's also like not too thin for a windbreaker. It's kind of perfect. It has like an inner lining as well. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what was your favorite hoodie, zip up, or windbreaker that I showed you guys in today's video. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.